Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy the Cubist coming at you again with another episode in the Play Never Game My Epic Games library series. Today we're going to be playing Ring of Pain. I've got a new mic setup here, guys, so let me know if it's better, if it's worse, if you hate it, if you love it. It'll probably sound a little bit more echoey, but hopefully a bit just better sound quality overall. I think to lower the echo, I'd probably have to put like foam all over my walls, so that's not really viable for me right now. I could also I'd have to get a mic holder, like hold it right in front of my mouth would also be another option. I might look into that in the future, but we're just gonna try this. I think the quality is better. I was listening to this audio was popping quite a bit in the previous episode, so we're gonna try this out. Another thing I wanted to do, guys, I think I've been a bit stingy with the my display this again tier. I think Unrailed. I think I would play it again if I was in a pretty unique situation where I was around other people who were at a different skill level to gaming than me, which I talked about in the episode. Right, it's a good party game. I think this would be my go-to party game for sure. It was actually pretty fun. So I'm actually gonna promote it up to here, guys. Hopefully no one hates me for that. I moved a couple things around since the original placement. If you didn't watch the full end of Doom, make sure you watch that where I talk about my decision to put it in the very top tier there. But I want to move Unrailed up. I think it was really good. It was honestly a pretty good game. Didn't have too many complaints. I think it deserves to be higher than middle of the road. So we're gonna put it right there. And let me fucking there we go. And then Ring of Pain. That's what we're doing. That's what we're reviewing right now. We'll put it in the review spot. Let's hop over to it. Talked for a little bit too long, but hopefully you guys don't mind too much. And kerplow? Kersplow. There we go. I know nothing. I think it's a roguelike? I don't know. I think the audio should be pretty good. Might need to turn it up a little bit. I have it down pretty low, but we'll see. Might be loud when we get in there. Okay, yeah, it looks like a roguelike. What am I doing here? Damage projections appear on health bars to the result of an action. Okay. Seeing combat outcomes means you can focus on decisions. Like that? Why is it -2? I don't understand. Why is pressing A -2? Here, child. I'm going to move this real quick so I can see how good the audio is. What is going on? Piercing damage will hit unless parried. You gain parry chance if your defense blocks all physical damage. Reduces incoming attack. Speed determines who goes first. Icon changes to show who attacks first. Okay. I need to hit something? Ow. Okay. Do I not get to see, like, what's coming up behind? Talk to creature. Hi. Hello. Hello, friend. Pass me by and through the nest. Take the light with dark and tests. Items may have stats and item effects which you gain while equipped. Okay. You definitely can hear the achievements, that's for damn sure. Stealth will you pass hostile creatures unharmed. Failing to stealth gets creature you pass a free attack. Stealth. Choose to avoid getting attacked when passing. A bonus from items, 20%, bonus for speed, 2%. Okay. Ooh. So what is this? Does this tell me... Can I see what this is? Is like an enemy? Interesting. What is this? I'm gonna go the rat side. I don't need to heal. This is wasted, right? So I may as well kill the rat. Some creatures trigger a death effect when killed. How do I see that? Death effect 6. Oh, can I take this at any time? Oh, that's interesting. Your speed is higher, attack first. So I would do 2. It would do nothing? Am I seeing this right? And then I would kill it, and then I would just die. 25% to lose 1? Okay. But now I can heal. Oh, it's only 4. I thought it was going to be 10 like the other one. I'll take the treasure chest. What does this do? Minus? It's a glass shield and it gives me minus defense. +1 splash damage. What is that? Discard both. Interesting. This gives me some dodge chance, which could go hard if you're going sicko mode with it. 3 damage, though. That's kind of crazy, isn't it? That's double damage? Fuck it, dude. We ball. Yeah, we'll definitely kill this thing. Is this gonna hurt me? Why is the chest alive, man? Why is the chest alive? +1 clarity. What the fuck does that do? Reach empty inventory slot. I mean, that does a lot for me, but what does clarity do? Boost resource gain and critical hit chance. Soul gain. Heal bonus from potions. Okay. And curse resistance. Doesn't sound terrible. Guaranteed curse resist, though. Ooh. I mean, I'm empty on a lot of stuff right now. I feel like this is probably better, because this gives me a decent amount of curse resist, but this is curse resist forever? I don't know. I'm not sure which one's better there. How much does this fucker hit for? 4? Let's just kill that one. Let's kill that one. It could leave. Or do I want to take... How much damage does this guy do? 4 damage? To see what that yellow thing is? I don't want to see what the yellow thing is, man. I'm not going to lie to you. Newly discovered. Oh, was he faster? Am I stupid? He was faster. Oh, fuck. Okay, we run it back. That's my bad. That's my bad. Let's take the chest, obviously. Fancy tights. Speed, health, defense. I mean, the defense is pretty nice. Oh, is clarity good? And that thing just gets worse as it goes. Like, is this good? What does souls do for me? I'm gonna go for it. We can lose some health right now. Oh, that's what this thing does. It gives you a boost. Oh, I want attack for sure, right? Take +1 clarity. Give me attack. Definitely need that. Maybe I can get some damage. +4 attack when below 25% HP. Doesn't seem too bad. It gives me also 2 speed. Ant. 2 guard. 5% parry. But -1 speed. I want to kill him. I want to kill them all. Yeah. And this does do 6 damage to me. This heals me for 9? Okay, is this faster? How did I see if it was faster? Was it this button? It shouldn't go faster. Why does it have the faster icon? Definitely looks like it's going after me. Okay. Finders Keepers. What do we got here? Carrying a gift, a scavenged prize. +3 speed, my first attack, each dungeon is a crit. Okay. I'll take it. I one-tap both these, so it's because of the crit, right? I want to see which path I want to go down first. I get treasure. Then was it just unknown? Is that what that is? This blow up on me. Treasure, and then I'm not sure. Ocean? Boost treasure. This side looks way better than this side. So I'll go here. Then what I can do is I can take the damage here. Some creatures perform an action after each turn. Their next action is shown above the card. What do you do? Next action, move and prepare to self-extract. Death effect explodes. Use higher effect first. I think the chest or the heal first. Probably the chest, right? Item choices can be rerolled. Rerolling helps you build your inventory the way you'd like. Okay. I'd lose the bandana, presumably. It seems a little bit worse. I have +4 attack right now, don't I? Maybe I don't want the heal. A spoon! I don't want a spoon either. It looks like shit. Let me reroll. Reroll for 0? Well, that looks like a free upgrade. +1 poison damage resistance. I mean, this one's more damage. How can I say no to more damage? This is gonna blow up on me, so I should drink this. Do that. Speed, defense, health. I mean, defense seems almost just better than health. I guess you have the heal. Speed. I'm already pretty quick. I'll take defense for now. What does this do? What does this do? Snare and deal 15 damage to a target. Is it consumable? Okay, so these are both replaces. So this would replace my... It take about me 10 clarity. Why do I have negative clarity? Oh, that. First strike. I guess that makes sense, huh? Chaotic underwear. Combat attack order is reversed. Lowest speed attacks first, and then it gives you 10 speed. That's very interesting. I don't like that. I'll reroll. Next attack has +2 damage and deals half the damage to the creature behind. I can use that every 6 attacks. I'm confused why my donut is highlighted. Helmet. Re-armor. Guess I'll take this. Spells are usable and can be cast on demand. Some have a cooldown and displayed on the card. Okay. Whip, I guess? Okay, so X, Y, okay. What do these... what do these do? Can I go past them? I kind of want... What is this? Oh. I've done this before? I do no damage to this thing. What do these do? I don't understand. Yellow. What is this? Curse resists. Okay, so it's a full heal, but I have a 43% chance to be cursed, and a 57% chance for a full heal. This one isn't even a full heal. This one's just fucking worse. I guess the curse isn't as bad. I'm in. I'll take that. I don't think I should attack you. I don't want to be cursed. Oh! I'm a fucking idiot. That was stupid. Alright, we're gonna get the plus attack. Bonus, let's use it wisely here. That's like an exit. Can I just leave? Jewel. 4 speed, I don't think that's better. 2 attack, -2. 5% crit and dodge for each negative point of defense. That's interesting. I don't know if I want it, though. Reveal all cards. Guaranteed curse resist. Reveal all cards. That seems pretty fucking good. Wow, yeah, that seems good. Is this like, what is this curse? Okay, am I faster than you? I am. Goodbye. I can't take you. If I go this way, will you kill me? No. What the fuck is this? Guaranteed crit. So right now I have a trap. Ensnare and do 15 damage. Summon a random nest area creature. Convert 1 health stat into defense. Seems pretty good. Cast. I will murder you. Good sir. Axe. I mean, axe seems pretty fucking good. Intimidate poisonous creatures on attack. Go for the axe, just more damage, can't go wrong. There's just 2 enemies. Enemies give me what? Souls, which I don't know how to use yet, other than on rerolls. Can we use them on anything else? I will just heal and I guess go through the purple exit. Ambush. Well, that fucking blows. You have death damage? What are you doing here? Poison. You poison me? 10 speed. I outspeed you. I crit for some reason? That's my gloves, right? Yeah, it's my gloves. Okay. Kill you, kill you. Kill you, kill you. Get my treasure. And just kill everything. I'm too powerful. Skip past creature after attack. 20% chance. Shadow Hood. That is almost strictly better. It has the lower defense, but more attack. That's what I'm not getting hit, so may as well. Oh, a visitor. Hey man, what's up? Oh, here we go. I can spend my shop. +1 poison on attack. More speed. Freeze closest 4 cards when hit. What's freeze do? Full heal. Interesting. I mean, I don't have pants, so this seems good. I'll buy it. Befriend frogs to gain 1 health. What is this? What is this? I'm so confused. What kind? Oh, there it is. It's that item. What is my item currently? Reveal all cards. How many frogs are here? Befriend frogs. Oh no. Death action drops an item. What the fuck? I want that. What is this? Is this like an exit? 5. I've already seen everything. I don't really want that. I do want you, good sir, if you don't mind. Yes, please. I will take a more attack. Don't mind if I do. How much death damage? Not even a big deal. All these potions, man. I think you're just dead. You're gonna do a lot of death damage, but I got so many potions, it don't matter. Easy scroll. Full heal. Oh, that seems good. Transform target into a frog. Well, I did is take the frog thing. Create a random exit card. Do that. What do we got? What does this do? Oh, prism. What is this? Oh. Okay. What are my options for leaving here? I have the purple door. Take the curse full heal. Oh, let me just chug the potions now that we're clear of the area. And then I guess I want to take the fancy colorful ones, man. What the fuck? Maybe I don't want to take it. What the hell is happening? Hello? Listen closely, can't talk once. Sirens watch, beware their song. Got it. Holy. I just kill you now, your treasure, right? So. Give me a more attack. Yes, please, and thank you. I guess speed? Oh, fuck. Oh. I have to lose an attack no matter what here. Oh, that's interesting. Ooh. Kind of a trade-off thing here. I mean, I think 4 defense right now kind of goes hard. It's a little obnoxious, but... Does this do... It does do damage to me. Oh! I don't think anyone informed me both of them are going to blow up there. Is that some sort of splash damage thing that I had going? Okay. I don't think I should do that. I don't think I should do that. 40 souls for a chest. Okay, you're gonna kill me, which is now bad. Can I go this way? I can't. So let me take the pot. Oh fuck! He's just gonna slaughter my ass. I can't handle the truth. What the hell? I think I just lost, dude. I can't get past either one of these fuckwads. That one just straight up kills me. It has 6... Oh, it has to retract the spikes. Ooh. What do? You just hit me for 5? You only hit me for like 2. Might have to go for that one. I'm gonna take the chest. Destroy equipped gem and gain its primary stats. What is my gem? Is that this? It doesn't have any primary stats. It's not particularly good. Half damage to creature behind. Agile boot. Sure. It's just a good upgrade. Oh, I totally didn't mean to fucking do that. If I do this guy hits me, right? That's how it fucking works. I'm like low on health for some reason. Can I turn him into a frog? How do I befriend the frog? Oh, he's my friend. What damage was that? Poison? Salvage. Destroy target item or mimic card and earn half its soul. Destroy target item or mimic card and earn half its soul cost. I mean, I'll take it. I don't really understand what it's doing. Can I just leave? I will... Well, low on health, though. Maybe Curse Resist goes hard. We'll take the fancy color every time, man. Why the hell not? Patiences. So... Oh, no. You only... Because I'm not hitting him. It's not to hit me that hard. Half its soul cost. Why are you not... Why are you not spiky anymore? Also, why do I just slaughter your ass? Yes. Am I getting like a pierce bonus here or something? Am I piercing him? Oh, I have a crit on my first attack. That's why. How much do you hit me for, sir? Enough to kill me, it looks like. That's bad. For target or mimic card and earn half its soul cost. What is this thing's soul cost? Okay. Am I just fucked here? I don't think I'm just dead, man. I'm gonna random nest here. Maybe I have to take this? I don't know what this does. Whip. What the fuck is that, man? That's like the best possible roll. So now he drops a loot. Oh, fuck me in the ass, man. I can't go past this thing. I think I'm just dead. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The game said, fuck no. Stone Shifter. Next action deals more damage. I mean, it does 12 damage, man. What am I supposed to do against that? Okay. Well, I'm gonna call it there, guys. That was Ring of Pain for you. What the hell? Unlock. Wow, there's a lot of stuff I haven't unlocked yet. Very cool. Alright. Well, there you go. That was Ring of Pain. Let's go over the tier list here. Where are we gonna pit? Do I think I will ever play that again? I definitely enjoyed myself. For sure. Do I think I'm ever gonna play it again? I don't think so. I just don't think so. I don't think it's like an Unreal situation where I can even justify, you know, some weird off-chance thing where I might play it again. I don't see myself playing it anymore. So, we'll put it there. It's a cool game, for sure. There's a lot of cool synergies and stuff you can get there. But don't see myself playing it again at all. So, we'll stick it right there. Thanks for joining me, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. And I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. Bye-bye!